This story is about a young girl named Sri Bala who, inspired by an instinctive recognition of her purpose, wanted to go to battle to fight evil shadows. Her mother, goddess Lolita, initially hesitated, concerned about her daughter's inexperience. With a heart full of maternal affection, she worried about sending her young child into battle. But Bala, driven by pure-hearted courage and determination, petitioned her mother repeatedly, asking to express her true self. I hope you like this song and the story it tells.
In a land of shimmering grace, where beauty's divine, lived a girl named Sri Bala, with wisdom that shined, the daughter of Lolita, goddess of the skies. Her innocence and courage, a beacon in disguise. Oh, Bala, divine daughter, with a heart so true, guide us with your wisdom, show us what to do. In the shadows you rise, with a fearless embrace. In the dance of battle we see your grace. From a young age she felt the call to fight the darkness, to stand tall. With dreams and courage she did implore her mother to let her explore. Oh, Bala, divine daughter, with a heart so true, guide us with your wisdom, show us what to do. In the shadows you rise, with a fearless embrace. In the dance of battle we see your grace. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. 30 demons fell before her might, a warrior spirit shining bright. Her story spread across the lands, inspiring hearts joining hands. She taught us strength is within, not just might. Her journey led to inner light. Empowered by divine love song, she showed us all where we belong. Oh, Bala, divine daughter, with a heart so true, guide us with your wisdom, show us what to do. In the shadows you rise, with a fearless embrace. In the dance of battle we see your grace. Bala's legacy forever will remain. In every heart her spirit will sustain. With hands folded in prayer, under the divine, we trust in our destiny, let our light shine.